What's up, YouTube? This is Joel with TruLife Investing. Hope you've been having a great day. Today's been up, it's been down, and we're thankful that by the end of today, we were up. And just want to say thank you for all your support. Thanks everybody for the comments. Don't forget to subscribe and to hit that like button so we can keep growing in the searches. So today is day 5 of trading on our TruLife Investing. We are trading every single day. We're going to be trading with only putting $25 amount into our account each week, and that's going to be all that we do. The majority of people don't have lots of money to put into investing and to kind of go through to get past some of the rules and to be day traders and whatnot. Most of us, we have to budget out, and with everything that I've researched, I found that people could afford $25 to $50 a week with an investing account in order to get into investing and get into daily investing. So like I said, we're putting $25 each week into our account, and we're going to grow it each and every day. We're going to learn along the way, and we're going to have fun doing it. So today, like I said, has been crazy. So what I have on screen is where the Dow Jones left off for today. So remember, just last week, we were at 27, get up here, June 8th. So essentially about 1 week ago, we were at 27.5, and then throughout the week, it went lower, and I'm gonna actually zoom this in a little bit more for you. So we were at 27.5, and then it went lower and then lower and then lower to 25.18. But then today it picked back up for around 500 plus points. So that was great. And it's very hard to grow your account when the whole stock market is going down, especially if you're new to investing. That's the crazy thing. But one thing that we have to do is we have to keep pushing. We have to keep learning. We have to keep testing. We have to keep, learning about the market. And even whenever things are in the red, just like this is, we have to keep investing because there are accounts out there that are making money. And so today you can see right here that we literally started off pre-market in the negative $10. And for me, with all of happened last week, I'm ready for a new start. I'm ready for the accounts to start going up, being in the green, and I just wake up and I'm just like, oh my goodness. But as it went even lower. Look, it went all the way down to negative $16, and I'm thinking, please don't go any lower. Please don't go any lower. But the market started to pick up, and then it took a little dip and started to pick up, and then it finally ended off where we were with after hours trading. We ended up with right at $9 of increase for today. So I wanted to show you what stocks that I have in my portfolio today. I still got 30 shares of MFA Financial, and you can see here, guys, look at this. We started off $2.44 with this stock. We ended up with $2.84. So this was a killer day for this stock. And not to mention, it's been growing in popularity. The reason being is because whenever there's an earnings report that's about to be released, especially for something like this, it can either go up or it can either go down. And so we're hoping that it goes up. So remember, over the past history, this stock has normally been at $7, close to $8 per share, and then because of the pandemic, that it's brought it down. So whenever we're looking at its potential, it has a potential to get back to where it was. And with this earnings report, hopefully it's good. And this is where I was going to show you on here. Let me see. You can see that there's an earnings call that's going to be tomorrow, June 16th, pre-market. They're going to release, we've done this much revenue or whatnot, and just show where the company is at in its standings as far as financially. And so hopefully it's good. Hopefully we, whenever we start trading for the day, it's going to go up. We're going to make some money, and then we're going to get rid of this stock and move on, because remember, we don't want to overstay our welcome. So we still got MFA Financial. Like you can see right here, guys, look at this. We gained almost $10 today, but we're still $11 in the hole because of whenever we purchased it, kind of whenever it was at $3.30, it was hovering. It went up to $3.60. We could have sold it then. We should have, but I was doing a test to show a video of trading stocks, especially volatile penny stocks. You got to get rid of them 15 to 30 minutes in the beginning of the day because you just don't know what can happen. But we've held on to this stock. We've allowed the market to be green, and we've gained back on this stock. So we want to get it back in the positive, make some money, and then get rid of it. So we're going to go and look at another stock that I have. This is T2 Biosystems. We purchased this at $1.82 per share, but like I said, with this, everything going down last week, it kind of pulled that stock down. And that's okay, it's going to happen. But we're looking for it to pull back. Whenever this started out, it was $1.60s, and then went even lower to $1.55. Trust me, I was getting nervous, and then it picked back up and then finished off at $1.67 right here. So want to keep that momentum, keep that good going up, having those green days, especially for the stocks that we own. And then we got to keep investing. So there was a stock that I was researching, Urban Tea. If we're going to look at their 1 month history, and I'm going to tell you the reason why I purchased this stock and why I feel that it's going to keep going up. If we look at a year, we can see that there was a huge increase last November, and then it kind of went down, but it's been picking back up. And even through the pandemic, it's been picking back up. And then today, it had a huge increase, and it started off at 68 cents per share, and then even got to a high of $1.37. That's essentially where I purchased it at. Wish I would have purchased it earlier, but got to $1.37, then dropped down, made me nervous. Got even all the way to, I looked at one point, it was like $1 per share, and I'm just thinking, did this happen again? But we're good because it picked back up, left off at $1.34, and as you can see right here, so we're only 3 cents off for what we initially put into as far as investing it, 30 shares. So tomorrow we'll watch it in the morning, hopefully it goes up, make us a quick gain, and then we'll get out of there. So just looking at the entire portfolio, we can see that today I've had all greens. This is green. Whenever you have a red day, this whole thing is red. We don't want those, but it's been green, which is great. We want to keep moving forward with that. And remember that, sometimes the entire stock market is going to go down, just like here. Just like whenever the pandemic started, there's nothing you can do about it. Lots of companies, lots of stocks, prices go down, and that's just a part of the stock market. But just like it's going back up, that's what it does. It goes up and it goes down, and you have to be patient. You have to be strategic. You have to make sure that you're not going off your emotions, and as soon as you start seeing it go down, you want to sell, but understanding that with the stock market, it's more than likely going to come back up. I'm not saying it does every single time, but it does most of the time from my experience. But we're excited. We've got a green day today. We're looking forward to that earnings call for the MFA company that we have 30 shares in, and hopefully it goes up, we make some money, and we continue moving forward. Just want to let everybody know, thank you for all the support, thank you for the comments, really appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button so we can help grow the channel. This is Joel with TruLife Investing. Have a great day.